In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add guests to a Notion page. This is a great way to collaborate with clients, teammates, or anyone else without adding them as a full Workspace member. Let's get started. First, open the Notion page you want to share. Then click the Share button in the top right corner of the page. In the sharing panel, enter the email address of the person you want to invite as a guest. After entering their email, choose the permission level you want to give them. You can allow them to full access, can edit, can comment, or can view, depending on what they need to do on the page. Once you've selected the appropriate permission, click Invite. Notion will send an invitation to that email address, and once the person accepts it, they'll have access to the page you've shared. If you ever need to change their permissions or remove their access, click the Share button again. You'll see a list of everyone who has access to the page. From there, you can update their permission level or remove them at any time. That's how to add guests in Notion. Thanks for watching.